Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Android Studio IDE for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Android Studio IDE for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Android Studio, since that's where we will download their IDE. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Android Studio IDE on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And then the installer for Android Studio will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, just click the next button again and again until you reach this page. And here on this page, you can now click the install button to start installing the app. And then the app IDE will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And then here, you just need to agree to their license agreement, so just select the agree option on both of these contents. And once you've selected agree to both of it, you can now click next to proceed. And after that, the necessary components needed for the IDE will now start downloading. Just wait for this to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Android Studio IDE installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it for your Android app development. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.